up, guys?
Here you go.
We're here with Mr. Blue RB and Mr. Quasi, and we're gonna check out
Yeah.
the Creative Studios. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go.
Is there something wrong?
Okay, guys.
Time to check out the studio.
What do you say the name of the YouTube? I need a one backpack.
Okay. No, I don't think.
Oh my.
God.
I cannot use
Okay.
that. Wait, I cannot use my grappler.
It's fine. You don't need grapple.
Guys, look!
Oh my gosh.
Guys, what are we gonna do?
Oh, it's right. That's like
So much.
Oh, it's the leak we saw, guys. It's the leak. Blue, green, perfect color, tracking markers. Guys, over here, I got some new buttons.
Look, you can change it. You can change color. You can do blue,
What is up, guys?
perfect color, track marker. Oh my god. This is sick, dude.
Guys, do that.
Our own backgrounds in here.
Ooh, sorry.
Guys, let's check out the other area here.
This is a small
Stage
update.
2.
Oh, yeah.
The miniature city.
I'm gonna destroy
Oh my
the city.
god. Look at this.
Wait, but how do you destroy the city?
Bro.
Wait,
Miguel, you see the
this
city?
reminds me of the Office. The Office.
Miguel, you see the city?
No, guys, this reminds me of the Office. The Office had a tall map.
Destroy! We got this main
Oh, this is
big
like
building.
Luigi Mansion. Like, it's like Luigi Mansion.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, it is.
Okay, let's go up to the next stage. Next stage.
What you mean, like, guys, over here, over here. We have some more. We have some more over here, guys.
Hold on, hold on.
Guys, we have some more. Good news. Wait, let's see the good news. Guys, which one do you want to see? The good news or the bad news?
Let's see the good news.
Wait, why you? Why? Bro,
Breaking news. Oh, it's just good news, breaking news. That is great.
okay.
So cool.
Okay, let's go.
Miguel, let's go.
Oh, you
What is
can
this?
buy items here. It's like Gorilla Tag.
What is it? Oh, we have like the
The main, it's like
rooms over here.
it's like retro.
J-Man Curly, J-Man Curly, J-Man Curly. Yeah.
Oh, it's his video with
Okay,
Just
we have
Toast
lots of rubber.
America.
We have rubber duckies, Coca-Cola, grenades, calculator.
Wow.
This is nice. Guys, you missed the other ones.
What? I looked.
Right here. First we have this one. Oh
Where are you
my
guys? Where are you?
Over here. Look, guys, look at the city
I
over here.
wish Gary was back.
No, Gary. Miguel,
Oh, over here, guys. Over here.
guys, look over here. Look at the city.
Wait, what is
Yeah.
here? Guys, what is here? It's Gary.
Miguel, why are you not talking? Why not talking? Okay,
Let's see five.
okay.
Let's see five.
I got
Wait.
something.
Wait, did you mention stage 5? Oh my god.
It was a Squid Game. What's that?
Whoa.
Oh, guys,
Okay.
look, it's the.
This is like a free space and you can do whatever you want here.
1v1 time. 1v1, guys. Let's 1v1.
No, no, no.
I'm joking. Ah! Look out! Ah! Look out, run!
Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, let's go to the next stage.
I thought Gary was back. No, what is
There
it?
is stage 7.
Stage 7. No, let's go to
Stage 6
stage.
is closed. It's closed.
How about stage 7?
I mean, stage 7. We have a whole. Wait. Yo. Wait. This is the AMP house.
What?
This is Kaitanat's room, bro.
Bro, are you serious?
This is actually Kaitanat's room.
That's what. I got something.
This is the door roll. This is the door roll. Hit it. Yeah.
Yeah?
right here. This is the door he would break through. See?
Oh, guys, who are those people?
It's all creators.
Okay, where guys, there's something up here. Wait, what's here? Oh, we can't open that?
Check up here.
Ah!
Okay, there's nothing up here.
Where?
This could there's so much stages.
Guys!
You guys, let's go check out the tech tree. There's new items in the number right.
Oh, but I don't have. What's up with them? I'm scared. This would be the
Kenobi.
place for Gary.
Let me get here.
Sea of nothing. Oh, guys, I just realized the zip line's.
We have a new boomerang. And is that it? Oh yeah, I saw something in the animal company. Miguel, down here. Miguel.
Guys, has this teleport arrow been here before or no? Is it just
Miguel.
and light thing